Hello students, welcome to chapter 2 acids, bases and salts. So first of all we will see what is meant by acid. What is meant by acid? The substance which gives H plus ion in water. The substance which gives H plus ions in water are called acids. For example, you can take acid HA. It ionizes in water, gives H plus ion and A minus ion. One simple example for acid is hydrochloric acid HCl. HCl in water gives H plus ion and Cl minus ion. What is meant by an acid? The substances which gives H plus ion in water are called acids. Now some common acids which we find in the laboratory are hydrochloric acid, its molecular formula is HCl. Nitric acid, its molecular formula is HNO3. Sulfuric acid, it can also called as king of chemicals. King of chemicals, its molecular formula is H2SO4. Carbonic acid H2CO3, phosphoric acid H3PO4, acetic acid CH3COOH. Acetic acid, another name is ethanoic acid. So these are the acids which are commonly used in laboratory. So what is meant by an acid? A substance which gives H plus ion in water is called acid. Already you seen definition of acid. Some examples also seen. Now we will see physical properties of acids. What are the physical properties of acids? Properties of acids are of two types, physical properties and chemical properties. First of all, we will see physical properties. That means first one is they are sour to taste. Acids are sour to taste. Second one, they turn blue litmus. You take one blue litmus, dip it into acid, it will turn to red. It turns blue litmus to red litmus. Acids turns blue litmus to red litmus. Acids are sour to taste. Next property is they are corrosive. Most of the acids are corrosive in nature. Next one is they are good conductors of electricity. Acid solutions are good conductors of electricity. So next fifth property is acids give pink color with methyl orange indicator. Acids give pink color with methyl orange indicator. One more indicator is there, that is phenolphthalein. In phenolphthalein it is colorless. Acids are colorless in phenolphthalein indicators. So children, better to remember these six physical properties of acids. They are sour to taste. Next, they are corrosive in nature. They turn blue litmus to red litmus. They give pink color with methyl orange indicator. They are colorless in phenolphthalein indicator. They are good conductors of electricity. These are the physical properties of acids. So next one is acids are of two types. First type is mineral acids. Second one is organic acids. What are mineral acids and what are organic acids? We will discuss clearly. So organic acids means their sources are generally fruits, vegetables, organisms, living organisms, plants, curd, milk, like this. What are the mineral acids? These are the derivatives of minerals. Minerals are obtained by mining. So these are completely from chemicals. These are completely from organisms. Organisms, organic acids. Minerals, from minerals, mineral acids are inorganic acids. So we will see, as already studied, acids are those chemical substances which are sour in taste and change the color of blue litmus to red litmus. Acids are mostly obtained from natural sources. Natural sources. The acids obtained from the minerals of the earth are called mineral acids. These are also called inorganic acids. Some common examples of mineral acids or inorganic acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid. These are examples for mineral acids. Now we will see organic acids. Vinegar. Vinegar is another name of acetic acid. From tamarind, tartaric acid you will get. So oxalic acid, what is the source of oxalic acid? Tomatoes. You can see fruits, lemon, grapes, orange. From these fruits you will get citric acid. So these are fruits, vegetables, some organism derivatives. From this only these compounds will form. Hence these are called organic acids. Here I given 12 organic acids with their natural source. First one is acetic acid. It is also known as ethanoic acid. What is the source of ethanoic acid? Vinegar. Second one is citric acid. Citric acid. What are the sources of citric acid? Citrus fruits like orange and lemon. Third one is lactic acid. What is the source? Sour milk. Fourth one, tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. Its sources are tamarind, grapes and apples. Fifth one is malic acid. Apples is the source. Sixth one, oleic acid. Source is olive oil. Seventh one, butyric acid. Source is rancid butter. Eighth one, stearic acid. Sources are fats. Ninth one, uric acid. What is the source of uric acid? Urine. Tenth one, oxalic acid is obtained from tomatoes. So sources are tomatoes. 11th one, amino acid. Amino acids are obtained from proteins. 12th one, formic acid. Formic acid, another name is methanoic acid. Formic acid, another name is methanoic acid. It will present in stings of ants and bees. So these are the sources of some organic acids. Children, already I told you what is meant by an acid. Acid is a substance which gives H plus ion in water. What is meant by acid? Acid is a substance which gives H plus ions in water. So acids are of two types based on their source. What are the two types? Mineral acids and organic acids. In the same way, acids can be classified into another two types based on their strength. Strong acids and weak acids. What is meant by strong acid? First of all, what is meant by an acid? Acid is a substance which gives H plus ion in water. What is meant by strong acid? Strong acid means which gives more number of H plus ions in water. Acid which gives more number of H plus ions in water is called strong acid. What is meant by weak acid? Acid which gives less number of H plus ions in water. Is called weak acid. So strong acids examples are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid and perchloric acid. What are the examples? Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid and perchloric acid are the strong acids. What are the examples of weak acids? All organic acids are weak acids. Acetic acid, oxalic acid, citric acid, malic acid, methanoic acid, all these are examples for weak acids. Here I given some uses, some important uses of acids. Sulfuric acid, it is an important acid. It is used in the manufacture of fertilizers, dyes, drugs, explosives, paints, chemicals and artificial fabrics, etc. Another important acid is hydrochloric acid. It is used in printing, tanning and tinning industries. Nitric acid is used in manufacture of dyes, explosives. Explosives is important use, drugs, fertilizers and chemicals. So like that, every acid has some important uses. For example, tartaric acid, it is the constituent of baking powder. Baking powder is used in cooking purpose, making cake. So benzoic acid, it is used as food preservative to prevent the spoilage of food. Benzoic acid is used. Boric acid is used to preserve of grains to wash ice. Actually, boric acid is used as antiseptic for ice. Antiseptic for ice, boric acid. It is used to preserve grains, rice packets. In rice packets, boric acid they will mix to store. Oxalic acid is used as ink stain remover. Carbonic acid used in soft drink. All drinks, Bisleri soda and all this soda water, they contain carbonic acid. Citric acid and acetic acid also, they have characteristic uses. Now we will see next one, uses of acid. Main uses, galvanizing steel, common. Acids are commonly used in the galvanizing of steel, in textile industry, in leather industry, that means tanning, in food industry, in fertilizers, in paints, in dyes, in the preparation of chemicals, in the preparation of plastics, and important one is car battery. I will ask one question to you, which acid is used in car battery? Lead storage battery, it is important question. Which acid is used in lead storage battery or car battery or inverter batteries? Sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. Next topic is bases. Acids, we discussed what is acid, some examples, how many types on source, based on source, how many types based on the strength, some commonly used, common uses. Now similar way we will see bases. What are bases? You see here, soaps, detergents, baking soda, generally they are used in, bases are used in these fields. So what is meant by base? The substances which gives OH minus ion in water are called bases. What is meant by an acid? Substance which gives H plus ion. There, here OH minus ion. The substances which gives OH minus ion in water are called bases. Simple example for base is sodium hydroxide. If you drop some sodium hydroxide in water, it will ionize and gives OH minus ions. Because it is giving OH minus ions, you can consider this one as a base. What is base? The substance which gives OH minus ion in water are called bases. Examples, some common examples for bases are sodium hydroxide. What is the formula? NaOH. Sodium hydroxide, another name is caustic soda. What is the name? Caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. It has another name, caustic soda. Potassium hydroxide, KOH. It is also another name, caustic potash. Calcium hydroxide, this has another name, you know that name already, slaked lime. What is the name? Slaked lime. Magnesium hydroxide, it has also another name. What is the name? Milk of magnesia. Ammonium hydroxide, it is also known as ammonia solution. So these are hydroxides, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. So these are the hydroxides of metals. In this similar way, oxides of metals, copper oxide, magnesium oxide and calcium oxide, these also acts as bases. What are bases? Oxides and hydroxides of metals acts as bases. Some physical properties of bases. They are bitter in taste. They turn red litmus to blue color. They give OH minus ions in aqueous solution. They are soapy to touch. What are the physical properties? First four properties. They are bitter in taste. They turn red litmus to blue litmus. They give OH minus ions in aqueous solution, that means water. They are soapy to touch. Next one is they give pink color with phenolphthalein indicator. Children, you remember like this: PP, BPP, B for base, pink color phenolphthalein indicator. Bases gives pink color with phenolphthalein indicator, BPP. Next one is they give yellow color with methyl orange indicator. They give yellow color with methyl orange indicator. Here both are color. One is pink color, one is yellow color. So with phenolphthalein it will give pink color. With methyl orange it will give yellow color. So these are the physical properties of bases. Now bases you can classify based on its strength in two ways. Bases are classified into two types based on its strength. Strong base. What is meant by first of all base? What is meant by base? The substance which gives OH minus ion, the substance which gives OH minus ion in water is called base. What is meant by strong base? The substance which gives more number of OH minus ions. The substance which gives more number of OH minus ions. The substance which gives more number of OH minus ions is called strong base. The substance which gives less number of OH minus ions is called weak base. Examples for strong bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. What are the examples for weak base? Ammonium hydroxide. Here one more important word, alkali. What is meant by alkali? Bases which are soluble in water. Are called alkalis. You children, you remember, all bases are not soluble in water. Only some bases are soluble in water. That bases are called alkalis. So that's why in periodic table, first group elements lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, these elements are called alkali metals because their hydroxides are basic in nature. Bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. Example, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Some commonly used bases, they have some common uses. Sodium hydroxide has a major use in the manufacture of soap. Potassium hydroxide in the manufacture of soft soap and in alkaline batteries. That is earlier one is acid battery, lead battery. It is alkaline battery. Ammonium hydroxide is used to remove grease stains from woolen cloth. Calcium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of mortar, softening temporary hard water. Slaked lime is used to remove hardness of water. neutralizing acidity of soil and as a general germicide. CaOH twice you are using for whitewash because it is a general germicide. MgOH twice, you know this one, milk of magnesia, you can find it is in your MI room, milk of magnesia, it is used as antacid for neutralizing gastric acidity. Gastric acidity. To reduce acidity, so this one is used, so as a syrup, what is the name? Milk of magnesia. AlOH thrice used as foaming agent in fire extinguishers. So these are the uses of bases. Next one, what is the common observation from acids and bases? Common what you studied, all acids gives H plus ions, all bases gives OH minus ions. These H plus ions are responsible for their acidic property. These OH minus ions are responsible for their basic nature. They will ask write differences between acids and bases. They give H plus ion, base will give OH minus ion. So example for acid, example for base. Now acid and base in water solution, the reaction HCl, you see HCl in water, it gives H plus ion. Later that H plus combines with water to give hydronium ion. This is very important point to note this. H plus ions cannot exist alone. These H plus ions combines with water and exist as H3O plus. What is the name? Hydronium ion. Hydronium ion. So this is about common points related to acid and base. Now next class, in next video, I will upload about indicators. Okay, thank you.